Ready to turn those extra fruits into something fabulously fermented? Let's get our wine on. First up, gather your ingredients: fresh or frozen fruit, sugar, water, yeast, and a couple of optional extras like acid blend and pectic enzyme. Got your gear? You'll need a big pot, a fermentation vessel, a hydrometer, a siphon, an airlock, and bottles. Step 1. Wash and crush your fruit. Sanitize everything. No one likes funky wine. Step 2. Mix fruit, sugar, water, and yeast in your pot. This fruity mix is called the must. Step 3. Pour the must into your fermentation vessel, pop on the airlock and store it somewhere cool and dark. Step 4. Check the specific gravity with a hydrometer and transfer, or rack, the wine to a new vessel every few months. Step 5. Let the wine age and clarify for a few months. Step 6. Bottle it up, leaving a little headspace. Step 7. Store your bottles in a cool, dark place for at least 6 months. Remember, sanitize everything to avoid spoilage. Happy winemaking. Cheers!